Hi guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine, out trying to get my daily exercise. My gosh, I've done about half a kilometer and already sweating and feel like I might have pulled a hamstring and done a marathon. So I don't know how Jay does this, but we'll see how we go. And excuse the very poor cameramanship. Jay at the moment is overseas in the UK on holiday. So you're getting live videos from me as I do my walks or as I head out on tour with the team. Now today, one of the questions that I wanted to answer is, why doesn't 5-Star Marine include lunch on our tours? And I really want to be honest about it and say a lot of companies, and I would say somewhere between 90 to 95% of companies, include lunch on their tour. So we are a very unique and different company for not including that. And I get a lot of flack of it, a lot of flack from guests and also a lot of flack from other operators. But I want to tell you why. Most operators that are going to include lunch are going to do one of two types of lunches. One they're going to do is a buffet, and the second one they're going to do is a set menu. So let's start with the buffet. Now, naturally, I'm not a buffet guy. I don't like it. I don't like the concept of food sitting out for hours, slightly warmed, waiting for me to eat it. Second to that, I don't like the fact that 600, maybe 700 people before me have gone through and spooned the food and put that on their plate. And third to that, I don't like the fact that, especially in Thailand, that when they refill the buffet, they don't take out the old dish. So what I'm talking about is, for example, if they're refilling fried rice, they don't take out the old fried rice dish and replace it with a new fried rice dish. What they actually do is tip the old and the new into the same dish. Now, in my experience, and I'm no chef, I've worked in a few restaurants, shout out to McDonald's out there, but our rule always is that keep it fresh. If it's in McDonald's in the olden days, there was a timer there in the back that said if it was there for more than 5 minutes, we had to throw it away. Now, if I go to a buffet and the dish has been there for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, had 400 people go through and scrape away at it, not my idea of a great way to have lunch, and in my experience, probably a very fast way to getting Thai belly, getting diarrhea, being sick, and spending a few days of your holiday stuck in a hotel bed. So that's why I don't like buffets. The second kind of menu that you'll get offered from companies like this is set menus. A set menu certainly is better than a buffet. The reason being that the set menu hasn't had that 300 or 400 people go through with their spoon and eat at the food before you. But what a set menu is, a menu of food that has been pre-cooked by the chefs and then reheated and given to you when you arrive at the lunch restaurant. For example, they might do a fried fish. Now, if your boat turns up to the restaurant at 1 p.m. and you have lunch set menu on your table by 1:10, you can be guaranteed that that fish wasn't fried in 10 minutes. More than that, they didn't create the fried rice, they didn't create the tom yum, they didn't create the tom kha gai, they didn't do the fried chicken. All of this was stuff that they created, hours ago and just warmed up to put on your table to do the set menu. Now, in my view, if I'm on a 5-star tour, a 5-Star Marine tour, I'm going to want a lunch that matches with the great experience that I'm having. I'm on a great boat, my transfer was on time, my guide is friendly, I've seen some of the most magnificent and amazing locations that I've ever seen in my life. And now I'm going to stop and I'm going to have a set menu lunch, or I'm going to have a buffet. And for me, that doesn't match. So that's why we don't offer it. Instead, what we do is we tell our guests, we'll recommend a restaurant for you based on your tour and based on the type of food that you would like to eat. Now, if you're like me and you've got a 12-year-old, you know, that's McDonald's, chicken nuggets, pizza and French fries. And so what his needs are different to the needs of the couple that's come on board and are having a romantic holiday. You know, maybe they want a seafood barbecue on the beach. Maybe they want a lobster. Maybe they want a steak. Maybe they want something completely different. And you know, for me, when I go out on tour, I love to go to Ban Rim Nam. Ban Rim Nam is an amazing place to eat. They have an amazing dessert. The entire cast of the White Lotus love this restaurant. You know, add to it Pear Cruvet. Pear Cruvet, also an amazing place to eat. Or even Bang Mud Seafood, another great place to eat. Mali Seafood, another great place to meet. But all of these places, they don't offer set menus or buffets because they cook the food fresh. You turn up on the boat, the menu comes out, you order what you want, and then they cook it fresh and they bring it straight to the table, and it's steaming hot, straight out of the fryer or straight out of the wok to you. And so in my experience, that's why we offer, I suppose, private tours with lunch excluded, so that you can get the food you want. But not only that, you can get fresh food. And that's the most important part, because I don't want you to go home from a 5-star marine tour and message me the next day and say, I've got Thai belly from the buffet, or I've got Thai belly from the set menu. You know, the likelihood of getting Thai belly from a freshly cooked restaurant that we recommend, a restaurant that we've been to hundreds of times and have had hundreds of guests go through and eat. You know, it seems to me that that's the better option. So when asked, you know, very bluntly, why we don't include lunch in our tours, I very bluntly reply that, you know, a private tour is all about having an exclusive experience. It's not about eating with 100 people in a buffet line full of food that's got no taste, it's lukewarm warm, and has probably been sitting there for hours. So anyway, that's it. That's my sign off. As you can see, almost at the end of the walk. So talking to you again soon.